Buccaneers, and they are selecting running back Ronald Jones at number 38.
Number 38 overall on my big board. So it's exactly right, the
You're
value there for the Bucs there. So 38 overall on my big board. I like it. He is my number 3 halfback. When I see him play, I keep seeing shades of Shady. I see some LaShawn McCoy in him with the way that he runs. He's got great speed. He can absolutely fly. Don't let the 40-yard dash time at the combine concern you. He pulled his hammy. He is a very fast player. Had at least 1 touchdown in 19 of his final 20 games at USC. He's going to find his way in the end zone. He's a great athlete. He has the ability to be a great pass catcher as well. He's a little lean. He lacks strength. But that right there, Ken, the way he's holding the football, that's shady.
That's shady.
That's what LaShawn McCoy is. That's why he reminds me. Some Jamal Charles in him as well. He wears number 25. But you can see right there, he's lean. He's muscular, but he's not exactly a big guy. The concern for me is, can he hold up for an actual full down, 3-down workload, being the focal point? I think he can. If he doesn't, he ends up becoming Felix Jones, which at 38 overall, if he lasts longer than Felix Jones is, it's kind of okay there. But he is the definition, folks, of a home run threat. I like this pick quite a bit. If you're not going to go guys because of the off-the-field stuff, go with Jones. I would prefer Jones over guys like Rashad Penny that went earlier in this draft, and even Nick Chubb as well. I'm a big fan of Jones.
Rashad Penny off the board. Ronald Jones off the board. Darius Geis still there.